another shot.
And honestly, the shot was easier than the flu shot.
1 year ago tomorrow, the COVID-19 vaccine arrived in Wichita Falls with frontline workers first receiving the shot.
At that time, healthcare workers were very hopeful that it would be a turning point in this pandemic.
Yeah, Markeisha Jackson spoke with those at United Regional to reflect on the progress made in the last year. Markeisha, what has been the biggest takeaway in all of this?
Lauren, they strongly believe the vaccine has greatly helped their efforts in battling this health crisis, but they say there's still some work to do before COVID-19 is fully conquered.
For Jackie Betts and Rachel Raton, it was just a short year ago that they were rolling up their sleeves to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
What I remember most is the state of anxiety and the state of unknowingness, and the hospital was completely full. I think we had about 130 COVID patients at one time, and we didn't know if that number was just going to continue to rise, and we had no end in sight. And then suddenly, suddenly, all of a sudden, we had turned COVID into a preventable disease.
It was the first time, from the time the pandemic started, we felt we went from a defensive position to an offensive position. We actually had something now that we could give ourselves and give the patients.
Jackie Betts, who has managed United Regional's COVID-19 operation since day one, believes vaccines are what has made their progress possible.
From the patient side, they felt like they had received something that allowed them for the first times to leave their homes to get into the community, and they felt like it was a gift from God.
And from the first dose to the recent vaccine mandate for staff, employees, and medical staff members, COVID-19 is still part of the daily lives of these frontline workers who have a message for those who aren't yet vaccinated.
Our community expects high quality care from us. That's based on evidence, that's based on high quality evidence. And that's the same high quality evidence that these vaccines were created from.
A dose of hope for these medical professionals as the community continues to fight its way out of this pandemic.
At last check, 96% of United Regional staff are currently vaccinated or have an approved exemption. And as holidays arrive, 43% of Wichita County residents are fully vaccinated as of this week.
Okay, Markeisha, thank you very much.